The Hurricane Melissa drone response in Jamaica has been the largest fully locally led and globally supported drone response after a major disaster yet, and a massive collaborative effort, bringing together close to 30 local and global organizations.
Jamaica Flying Labs has been asked by the National Emergency Response GIS team and ODPM to be the official partners that coordinate all of the drone geospatial mapping related activities.
I'm so proud of this initiative is our National Drone Response Team. So in parallel with the SUDRP being activated, the Jamaica Flying Labs with CDMA also started to coordinate a National Drone Response Team. So the National Drone Response Team includes strong coordination with Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority. And that team, what it does is allow the registration of volunteer pilots with their units to fly. So how the branch assisted? Well, I'm not a drone pilot, but what I can do is create the grid for you to fly. So a grid was created, which is like a full layer of boxes across the island. And once that community that is impacted, remember we would have gotten the impacted communities from the chat map and from the crowdsourcing, etc. Once those communities are identified and vetted by OPM, we would select the grids for these volunteer pilots to fly. And they would fly free of cost. They start their own cost and everything. But then we need to manage all of this information because as you can see there from the big stats, we did over 500 flights and we captured over 1,200 square kilometers of data. So who uses it now? NAA uses it, UDC uses it, Forestry uses it for their internal activities and their response to tracking and monitoring how they respond to Hurricane Melissa.
As you know, we are a global network of flying labs. At We Robotics, we help connect that network. In this case, the labs that stepped up to support Jamaica. I work closely with them and act as the main point of contact between those flying labs and the pilot leader in Jamaica.
In addition to coordinating support with the Flying Labs network, we have led the coordination of all global partners involved and the creation of a replicable blueprint, including dashboards, drone tasking and data management infrastructure, and workflows.
In our case, since we cannot fly to Jamaica and take the pictures, we are helping with the processing phase. And it's not only us.
A number of flying labs throughout the world. We're collaborating now on processing lots and lots, gigabytes of data from Jamaica to assist with those post-disaster recovery efforts.
During Hurricane Melissa, we supported the government of Jamaica and its partners, namely the Jamaica Flying Labs, in its coordination of impact assessment. And so we worked with the government of Jamaica, we worked with the Flying Labs to develop applications that helped with task management for drone flights, for example, but also with image analysis, and that allowed the team there on site to very quickly get a sense of damage and where the priority areas were for response and recovery.
This time, Hurricane Melissa was very personal for one of our team members. And Tyshawn came to us and said, "This is important for us. I need to be able to help out." We were able to send Tyshawn down, and he was able to really connect with the local flying lab and actually get to work right away.
So I was able to bring a Winter One Gen 2 with me. We were working out in the side of Savannah Lamar. We covered 11 different regions in that area over the course of 6 days. And it totaled roughly to around 2,300 hectares.
At Skydio, we sent a team of 5 employees to Jamaica for about a week. to help train the Jamaican Flying Labs on Skydio X10 platforms and our online systems. But also, we donated 2 Skydio X10 drones and software, so that way, after our team left the country, the Jamaican Flying Labs would be able to continue using our products to support their recovery efforts at home.
Drone Deploy creates a totally online 3D modeling and capture platform. And for the hurricane response, we have donated the support of our platform and our people to the folks responding on the ground to Hurricane Melissa. So that means they're able to capture drone data, capture photos, and upload them to the cloud and be able to process that in a online environment and share that data across the network.
Humanitarian OpenStreetMap team supported the response in Hurricane Melissa during Hurricane Melissa by both providing training as well as physically being on ground, assisting in some of the coordination of drone mapping as well as collecting drone data themselves in collaboration with the other pilots that were on the ground.
We provided connectivity for their data upload. The drones generate, as you will know, massive amounts of data. And in this response, they generated over 3 terabytes. We deployed, our CTT deployed Starlink terminals at Odpem and other strategic locations, along with the GFL teams.
I want to take this opportunity to personally thank all of our partners. I'm not going to name names because I will probably leave some out, but I will just simply say I want to say a big thank you personally from me and from the entire Jamaica Flying Labs team to everyone who has supported us in this effort.